Hello students of class 9. Now of the same exercise 6.2 I am going to solve question number 5. Question number 5, in an AP the fourth term is 10 times the first term so that the sixth term is 4 times the second term. It is given to you that fourth term A4 that is equal to 10 times first term A1. First term A1, that means A4 is equal to 10A. 10A, first term A1 is A. And this is given to you. This is given to you. And you have to prove that. You have to prove that A sixth term that is equal to 4 times A second term. This you have to prove. Now, this A4 is equal to 10A, that means A plus 3D is equal to 10A. Your 3D will be equal to 10A minus A. Therefore 3D will be equal to 9A. So here you can do one thing, that is D is equal to 3A. This is the relation you have got between D, common difference, and the first term A. Now we move to this to prove that left hand A6. This is equal to A plus 5D. Now A plus 5, what is the value of D? This is 3A. That is equal to 3 into 3A, which is come to A plus 15A, and that is equal to 16, that is equal to 16A. Now we move to the right hand side, that is 4 into A2, that is 4 bracket A plus D, 4 bracket A plus D, that is equal to 4. A, here value of D is 3A. I am putting the value of D here, and 4, this is equal to 4A, and this is 16A. Therefore, we see that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is proved. Equal to this. Moving to question number 6. Here you have to find the sum of the sequence up to that term. The term is mentioned here in the bracket. Now I am writing the sequence, that is the minus 26, minus 23, minus 20, dot up to 21st term. Here your A is minus 26. Your D is second minus first, minus 23 minus 26, that is equal to minus 23 plus 26, which comes out to be 3. Now as 21, that is equal to 21 by 2, I am writing the formula of Sn, that is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So 21. 2 into A, that is equal to minus 26 plus 21 minus 1 into D, that is 3. So this is equal to 21 by 2, that is 2 6 are 12, minus 56, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 1 56, plus 20 into 3, and this is 21 by 2 minus 56 plus 60. So 21 by 2 into this comes out to be 4, 2, and this is equal to 42. This is your answer. Let me check your answers, which is given in the back. Let me check it. Question number 6 first. 6 first. It is here. It is 34. How can this? Let me do the question, this question number 6 again for you. Let me do the question number 6 again for you. I am doing the question number 6 part. Before this, I would like to, again, question number 6, find the term mentioned in the bracket in each case below and also find the sum of the sequence up to that term. Here two questions are given here. So earlier there was some mistake, so I have cancelled it. This is your, I have cancelled it. I am doing the same question again for you. Again for you. That is, I am writing the sequence here. Question number 6 first. That is minus 26 minus 23 minus 20 dot 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 21st term. Here two questions are given. First, you see in the question, there are two questions are in the bracket. In each case, find the term. This is first question, and the second is sum of the sequence. There are two questions. So find the term, that is 21st term, then we have to apply the formula of nth term. This formula of nth term, that is a plus n minus 1 into d. So A21, that is equal to minus 26. Your A is 26 plus 21 minus 1, and your D is D, that is equal to minus 23 minus 26, that is equal to minus 23 plus 26, and this is equal to 3. So your D is 3. Now this is equal to minus 26 plus 20 into 3. And so this is equal to minus 26 plus 60. So 60 minus 26, this is comes out to be 4. 5 minus 2, 3, 34. That is equal to 34. This is the first part, and your second part is S21, that is 21 by 2. 2 into minus 26 plus 21 minus 1 into D3. Let me write the Sn formula. Sn formula, this is equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into this. This is Sn formula. Now 21 by 2, this comes 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 2 are 4, 1 5, 52 minus 52, and plus 20 into 3. So this is equal to 21 by 2 and minus 52 plus 60, and this comes out to be 21 by 2 into 60 minus 52, it comes out to be 8. 2 4s are 8, so this is 84. Now let me check here the answer. Here you see question number 6. See the question number 6, 1, that is 34. That is 34. And S21, here it is S21, it is 84. You see S21, it is 84. So now let me do one more question for you. Let me do one more question for you. That is question number 3. 5n minus 1, 7n, 9n plus 1, and 11n plus 2. Then dot dot dot, we are to 27th term. 27th term. There are two questions. First, your A is 5n minus 1, and your D is second term minus the first term, that is 7n minus bracket 5n minus 1. So D is equal to 7n minus 5n plus 1. So D is equal to 2n plus 1. This is your D. Now your nth term an, this formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find the 27th term, therefore a27, that is equal to a is your 5n minus 1 plus 27 minus 1, your d is 22n plus 1. So this comes out to 5n minus 1 plus 26, 2n plus 1. So 5n minus 1, this comes out to 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 1 5, 2 6 are 52, 52n plus 26. So 52 5 2 5 6 7. So 57n plus 25. 25. So your the answer is this is the 827 term. Now as 27, that is equal to 27 by 2. 2, your A is 5n minus 1 and plus 27 minus 1, and your D is, this is your D, that is 2n plus 1. So this becomes 27 by 2, that is equal to 10n minus 2, and this is 26, 2n plus 1. This is now 27 by 2, this is 10n minus 2, plus this comes out to be 52n plus 26. Now 27 by 2, this 52 and 10, this comes out to be 62n, and now plus 24, this you can take 2 common here. 27 by 2, when you take 2 common in this here, it will become 31n plus 12, and this 2 cancels out, that is equal to 27 bracket 31n plus 12. You can write the answer like this. Now let me check the answer given at your back. See, 57n plus 25, 57n plus 25, and as 27, that is 27 bracket 3n plus 12, 27 bracket 3n plus 12. Now you see here, question number, the rest of the question you can do it yourself. The rest of the question you can do it yourself. I am going to question number 7. Now I am going to question number 7. Your question here, if A, B, C are in AP, then show that the following terms are also in AP. This and first question I am doing for you. It is given that A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, what is meaning of it? The meaning of it is that this B minus A is equal to C minus B. So this is the relation it is given to you. Now the first question is 1 by BC, comma 1 by CA, comma 1 by AB. So 1 by CA minus 1 by BC, that is second minus first, and the next is the third minus second, 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. Now if we can prove that this is equal to this, then we can say that they are in AP. So left hand side, this is 1 by CA minus 1 by BC. Your LCM is ABC. So here it comes to B minus A. This is left hand side. And your right hand side, that is again your right hand side, that is 1 by AB minus 1 by CA. Your LCM is ABC. Here it comes to be C minus A. This here it comes to be B. So here you can write C minus B. Instead of C minus B, I can write here A minus B because it is given to you. So B minus A is equal to ABC. So from the left hand side and right hand side, we can conclude that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 1 by BC, comma 1 by CA, comma 1 by AB are in AP. They are in AP. Question number 7, again second question. See, question 7. It is given to you that A, B, C are in AP. Therefore, B minus A is equal to C minus B. This is given to you. You have to prove that this A bracket 1 by B plus 1 by C, comma B bracket 1 by C plus 1 by A, comma C bracket 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. You have to prove this. So again, I'm going to do AP. So B, comma 1 by C plus 1 by A minus A, comma 1 by B plus 1 by C, and second minus first. Again C bracket 1 by A plus 1 by B minus B bracket 1 by C plus 1 by A. So second minus first is equal to third minus second. If I can show that second minus first is equal to third minus second, then I can say that these three terms are in AB. Let me take left hand side. This is B. 1 by C plus 1 by A minus A bracket 1 by B plus 1 by C. Here, what do we find here? Let me take the LCM. B, CA, that is A plus C, and here A, LCM BC, that is C plus B. So this comes out to be BA plus BC by CA minus AC plus AB by BC. Your LCM is ABC. So this is B bracket BA plus BC minus this is A bracket AC plus AB. Now you will open the bracket, that is B square A plus B square C minus A square C minus A square B, ABC. I have to do some arrangement. The arrangement is, let me take this and this. Between these two, the common is AB. So here it is B minus A. And here between this and this, the common is C, which comes to out to B square minus A square by ABC. Now your AB bracket B minus A plus C, this is A square minus B square formula, B minus A, B plus A by ABC. Now see here, that is equal to AB B minus A, AB B minus A plus C B minus A, B plus A by this is ABC. Now here the common is B minus A, this is the common, and AB plus this CB plus CA by ABC. I'm going to leave it here left hand side. Now I'm going for right hand side. Here right hand side, this is right hand side, that is C, 1 by A plus 1 by B minus B, 1 by C plus 1 by A. So this is equal to here C LCM, this is AB, B plus A and minus B. Here LCM is CA, A plus C. This will be equal to a slight mistake, this is A. So BC plus AC by AB and minus this is BA plus BC by CA. Now your LCM is ABC, C bracket BC plus AC minus here B bracket AB plus BC. This is equal to BC square plus AC square minus AB square minus B square C by ABC. Let me make some arrangement must be done. This is this and this. Between this and this, the common is BC, C minus B, between this and this, and now between this and this, is common, C square minus B square by ABC. This is equal to BC, C minus B plus A, C minus B, C plus B by ABC. Here the common is C minus B, so BC and here AC plus AB by ABC. Instead of C minus B, I can write A minus B. Instead of C minus, I can write A minus B. So this is equal to instead of C minus B, I can write B minus A. So B minus A in bracket BC plus AC plus AB by ABC. Now you see the left hand side, this is left hand side, the left hand side result is this. This is the left hand side result, this is the left hand side result, and right hand side result, this is the right hand side result. When you compare the left hand side and the right hand side, they are the same. So LHS is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Then LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, I can write A 1 by B plus 1 by C, B 1 by C plus 1 by A, C 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. This is the question. Now question number 5. This is question number 5. Again 1 by root B plus root C, comma 1 by root C plus root A, comma 1 by root A plus root B. We have to show that these three terms are in AP. We have to show this. We have to show that these three terms are in AP. These three terms. Again, it is given that A, B, C are in AP. It is given. Therefore, B minus A is equal to C minus B. Now again, second term minus first term, 1 by root C plus root A minus 1 by root B plus root C, and third minus second, 1 by root A plus root B minus 1 by root C plus root A. Now let me take the left hand side. Left hand side 1 by root C plus root A minus 1 by root B plus root C. Here we find that one thing, the LCM is root C plus root A, root B plus root C. So root B plus root C minus root C plus root A. So root B plus root C minus root C minus root A by root C plus root A, root B plus root C. This cancel out, and root B minus root A by that is root C plus root A, root B plus root C. I am going to make a slight arrangement, that is going to multiply this by root B plus root A and root B plus root A, both numerator and the denominator. The numerator is A plus B into A minus B, which comes out to be root B the whole square minus root A the whole square, and your denominator is root C plus root A, root B plus root C, root B plus root A. This is your B. And this comes out to be B minus A by root C plus root A, root B plus root C, root B plus root A. Now I am moving to the right hand side. Here you see 1 by root A plus root B minus 1 by root C plus root A. Your LCM is root A plus root B into root C plus root A. So root C plus root A minus root A minus plus root B. So root C plus root A minus root A minus root B by root A plus root B and root C plus root A. Now this cancels out, root C minus root B by root A plus root B and root C plus root A. A slight arrangement, that is root C plus root B into root C plus root B. Here you see A plus B into A minus B, which comes A square minus B square. So C minus B, and this is root A plus root B, root C plus root A, and root C plus root b. Instead of c minus b, I can write a minus b. So a minus b, not b minus a. This slight mistake I make every time. Instead of c minus b, I am going to write b minus a. So this is b minus a, and root a plus root b, root c plus root a, root c plus root b. 1 minute. Here I have to write equal, 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 equal. Now if you compare the left hand side and right hand side, you see that both are the same. Left hand side and the right hand side both are the same. You can see, you can compare it, both are the same. So what happens now? Your left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now I can write that 1 by root b plus root c, 1 by root c plus root a, comma 1 by root a plus root b are in A.